me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Gem African queen. Today we are getting into a fall haul. So that includes pieces from H&M, Zara, Manuel Devois, and a few others that I'm gonna surprise you with. If that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. So this first piece that we have comes from Zara. So the blazer is from Zara, and then you'll see that I have shorts on. Those also come from Zara. When I say 10 out of 10 recommend, I absolutely love this blazer. I think it's really good for the fall. It's warm, but it also is sleeveless. So that way it kind of gives you that business look because that's what's in right now. And then it also just kind of accentuates your body to give you that hourglass figure, which of course we need. Of course, with this blazer, you're going to need some boob tape. You can't really wear an actual bra because as you can see, it has a deep V. So please make sure that you have some really good boob tape. I'm using kinesiology tape. I feel like that holds up better than regular boob tape, but just make sure that you're using, of course, the double-sided tape to kind of stick right here, because when I turn to the side, I feel like I can kind of see the boob tape, especially because I don't have like a nude one for my skin tone. And if you want an easier way to kind of like add your boob tape, lay down. I promise you, it makes a whole world of a difference. It does come with a black belt. You can just kind of tie that around however you see fit. I went ahead and double wrapped it. In the picture, you'll see that they just kind of have it hanging down. I don't really like that because I didn't feel like it was giving me that snatched look, and that's kind of what I like to go for. You can tie the belt however you would like. The shorts are very comfortable. They're stretchy. I got a size medium. With the shorts, I do feel like they kind of ride up just a little bit, but it's something that's manageable. It's not something that I would take back because I am absolutely in love with this outfit. I just went ahead and paired it with these Bottega dupe earrings, and I'm so sorry I had to say that because I feel like everyone is saying Bottega dupes, Bottega dupes. I like them, so I paired it with these earrings. I went ahead and did like this tennis bracelet, faux tennis bracelet, and then I have some black heels, and then they have like the little clear strap because I feel like this is a really great piece to transition from summer into the fall. I absolutely love this outfit. And also, when I was looking back at the footage of me like doing the little, you know, twists and turns that I do, I was like, girl, you could have ironed those pants. But sometimes things are so tight on me that I don't really need to iron, but she is very wrinkled. And if you haven't seen it yet, y'all go see it in a minute. But I absolutely love this outfit. So another thing is I was supposed to put a belt with it. I don't know if I'll probably film some more tomorrow just with the belt because it won't get here till today. But this would be so cute with a belt, and I cannot wait to get it, and I can't wait to like kind of show you guys what it would look like, the vision, the real vision. But we're really focused on this top. The jeans are pretty old. The top is a satin long sleeve top from Zara. The only thing I wish is that it was a little bit longer. I don't feel like it's made for tall girls or people with long arms, but I don't know if I can get myself to bring it back because the color is so beautiful. It feels amazing. It's very light, breathable, just something that I would love to have in the fall, especially as we transition from having hot weather and cold weather all at the same time. Had to tape up the girls. Definitely make sure that if you're gonna do something like this, and if you guys want a video on this, like let me know, but definitely make sure that you have like a double-sided tape. That's what's causing this to stick, because if you don't have like a double-sided tape, the satin shirt is going to kind of bulge over a little bit. But if you get like double-sided tape, and I'll link it down below, it will stick to your skin, and then you won't have to worry about, you know, as soon as you turn, people see your boob tape, it'll stay there. This is one of my favorite outfits. I love it for like a brunch, you know, just go a little casual lunch date. It's luxurious, she gets it. She's beautiful. I can't wait to wear her wherever I decide, but she's definitely everything that I want. I just wish it was longer, but we'll make it work. Gonna have to make it work. Okay, y'all, my mic died, so sorry if I have to talk into the phone. I don't know what happened. I thought I charged it, but it didn't go through. The top that I have right now is from Manuel Devois, and let me tell you, I'm definitely gonna wait to wear this because, man, it is warm, it is hot, and I was not expecting it to be this warm. The material, 10 out of 10 recommend. So at first I was skeptical because I was like, oh, this is $80, like that's too expensive. But I love this. Like, I love the ribbed material. I feel like it's quality. I mean, for $80, it should be quality. But I feel like the quality is there. I feel like it is going to keep me warm wherever I decide to go. I love that it has like this, it's a 2-piece set, so you can wear it 3 different ways. So you can wear it like the way I have it right now, or you can wear it without this, which I kind of want to take off. That actually made a difference. So I thought it was a really unique piece, so that's kind of why I picked it up. I love that it's a 3-in-1. You can wear it 3 different ways. It has like this little thing that you can hold everything together. The material's great. I absolutely love this top. And you can also wear that band, the wraparound, you can wear that alone. You get 3 different tops in one. I think $80 is definitely worth it. The pants are from Fashion Nova. I kind of wish that they were a little bit more of a rich brown, but I think the brown is actually kind of cute. I typically get some jeans from Fashion Nova because they have like a tall section, and I definitely needed these jeans to go past my ankles, which they do, and I'm actually in love with them because it's so hard finding jeans for people who are 5'8" and above. I am going to keep these jeans. I'll probably have to get them tailored on the waist because the waist is kind of big. But everything else fits perfect, and I cannot wait to show you guys where I wear it to. How cute, y'all. I'm really proud of myself because I love every single piece. Now, there are some pieces that I'm kind of like, okay, you probably should have did X, Y, Z, but I absolutely love this outfit. We have a few problems, but that's okay. Let's start with the top. The top is from Na-KD, I think that's how you say it. And this is a turtleneck glitter top. I got it in a size medium, I believe. And when I tell you, this did not disappoint. The way that it just feels on my skin, it doesn't feel cheap. I feel like it was a really good price, and I am 100% in love with this top. Now, if you don't like glitter, don't get the top. You kind of can't see the glitter whenever you're on the website searching for it, but it does have glitter, so it kind of gives like New Year's Eve, but whatever. It's a good transitional piece because we're headed into the holidays and glitter is okay right now. I will say the top part of it, like the turtleneck, you don't get to like make your own turtleneck. Like it's already made for you. I think that was like the hardest thing about the top, but other than that, I think that it's a great investment. It does kind of hang a little bit, which is weird, but I think it's kind of like its own style. You know what I mean? The pants are from Zara. I tried to go with like the baggy look, kind of similar to what it looks like on the website whenever you search for this top. And once again, it's always hard to find baggy jeans for people who are 5'8" and over. I love the jeans, don't get me wrong. I got them in a size 10. But I feel like they need to be longer because I like my jeans to kind of drag. Like, I don't want anybody to even think I'm flooding. You know what I mean? Like, I want to make sure that you see like, okay, those are a good fit for her. I may go back to Zara and try on a few more just to see which ones can kind of like fit me longer. But definitely recommend these jeans if you are below 5'8". I think they're so cute, and I think they fit super cute around the waist as far as like a low rise, kind of giving that baggy look. Definitely a great investment. This is the second to last outfit, and I don't know, I'm not really feeling this one the way I thought I was, but there are a few factors that probably go into that. So let's start with the top. The top is from H&M, and this one I got in a size medium. The material is very, very thin. So it seems like this is like pantyhose type of material, but it doesn't snatch you. If you want it to snatch you a little bit more, I do recommend sizing down and not getting your regular size, because it literally just fits your body as your body. Of course, it is sheer, it is see-through, so I just put a bra under it and that works perfectly. It is a bodysuit, and I feel like the middle part is very comfortable. I don't really feel it, which is good. And I don't think I have any issues with it beside, like, as far as material and as far as quality. I think that it is thin, it is very breathable, it is a sheer top. It's just not going to snatch you if that's what you're looking for. As far as the bottoms I got from Zara, and of course, Zara strikes again. They said that they're 44 inches, but I just don't feel like they're as long as I thought they were going to be. The model that was wearing them was 5'10". I'm 5'8". I don't understand where the disconnect is. So I do have to take these back. I should have just trusted my instinct and went with the Because of Alice black leather leggings, because they're so cute. And I heard that they're really good for tall people, but I decided to be cheap and give Zara a try. So this outfit, not my favorite, probably a 2 out of 10. The leather material on the pants are amazing. So if you are under, I'll give you 5'6". I don't say under 5'8", under 5'7". No. If you're under 5'6", or if you are 5'6", perfect leather pants for you. But the girlies that are above that, we're gonna skip over this one, okay? Last but not least, we have this beautiful dress from Na-KD. I got it in a size medium. I absolutely love this dress. I feel like it gives that 90s vibes. The dress is very comfortable. It's stretchy material, so if you do want to size down, I don't really recommend it because I feel like this is pretty tight. Do I wish it came down a little bit lower? Yes, but I kind of already knew it was going to fit a little bit higher on my ankles because of what I saw in the picture and the models that were wearing it and the sizing that they were. It has like a ribbed material, but a very subtle rib material. So it's not like out there, but you can feel that it is a rib material. It has a little slit in the back. I just went ahead and paired it with some black heels with a little clear strap. I think it's a great fall transitional piece because sometimes it's cold outside, you can add a jacket, and then once it gets hot, you kind of have the flexibility to have like a spaghetti strap dress. All right, guys, that concludes our haul. Thank you so much for sticking around. I feel so good about most of my pieces that I chose today. I hope you feel good about them too. Everything is linked down below, and please remember that I bought everything with my own coins, so all of this is my own opinion. And if you like this video, go ahead and like the video, comment your favorite outfit, comment what you're going to get. If you have any questions, leave the comment down below and subscribe so I know that this is the type of content you guys like from me. Other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye.